Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your GMC Sierra headlights. Proper headlight aiming is crucial for safe night driving and preventing glare for oncoming traffic. Before you begin, gather a Phillips screwdriver or a 6mm hex bit. Also, ensure your truck is on a level surface. Your tires are properly inflated, and it has a normal load like your usual cargo or passengers. Now, let's find the adjustment mechanism. First, open your truck's hood. Look directly above each headlight assembly in the engine compartment. You will find a small access hole there. This hole leads to the headlight adjustment screw. Carefully insert your Phillips screwdriver or 6mm hex bit into this opening, ensuring it engages with the adjuster. To properly aim your headlights, park your truck 25 feet away from a flat wall on a level surface. Measure the height from the ground to the center of your headlight bulb. Mark this exact height on the wall. Now, adjust the headlight beam so its sharp upper edge, or cutoff, is 2.5 inches lower than the mark you made on the wall. When turning the adjuster, remember that clockwise rotation typically lowers the headlight beam, while counterclockwise rotation will raise it. Make small, precise adjustments to each headlight until both beams are consistently aimed at the correct height. After adjusting, take your truck for a drive at night to confirm the headlights provide optimal visibility without blinding other drivers. This ensures safety for everyone on the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.